Apple's AirPods have become synonymous with wireless audio, setting the standard for what wireless earbuds should be. The AirPods 4 are here, boasting significant improvements over their predecessors, making them a must-have for tech enthusiasts. Apple focused on design, sound, and features, ensuring that every aspect of the AirPods 4 is refined and enhanced. This review dives deep into the AirPods 4, exploring what's new and if they're worth the upgrade for current users and new buyers alike. These aren't just iterative updates, they represent a significant leap forward in wireless audio technology. Apple made fundamental changes to the AirPods formula, re-engineering the internals for better performance and reliability. The result is a compelling listening experience that is both immersive and crystal clear, perfect for any audio content. Let's see how they stack up against the competition and previous models in terms of battery life, sound quality, and user experience. From design to performance, Apple made strides with the AirPods 4, incorporating user feedback and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned to find out if they live up to the hype and if they truly offer the best wireless audio experience available today. We'll see if these are the earbuds for you, whether you're a casual listener or an audiophile looking for the best in wireless audio. The AirPods 4 sport a refreshed design, most notably with shorter stems. This subtle change makes them look sleeker. The shorter stems also improve comfort for extended wear. Apple finally introduced customizable ear tips with the AirPods 4. This addition ensures a secure and comfortable fit for a wider range of ear shapes. No more worrying about them falling out. The customizable fit also enhances passive noise isolation. This means you can enjoy your music without distractions. The AirPods 4 are designed for all-day comfort. Apple enhanced the audio experience with the AirPods 4. The sound is richer and more detailed. Adaptive EQ is a standout feature, automatically adjusting the sound to your ear shape. Spatial audio creates an immersive listening experience. It tracks your head movements to deliver 360-degree sound. This feature shines when watching movies or playing games. The AirPods 4 deliver balanced audio with clear highs, defined mids, and punchy bass. Whether you're a casual listener or an audiophile, you'll appreciate the improved sound quality. Section 4. Battery life. Power through your day. The AirPods 4 are designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. The AirPods 4 offer impressive battery life, ensuring you stay connected and entertained throughout the day. You can expect up to 6 hours of listening time on a single charge, making them perfect for long commutes, workouts, or just relaxing at home. The charging case provides multiple charges, extending the total listening time to an impressive 30 hours. This means you can go days without needing to plug in. Apple introduced MagSafe compatibility with the AirPods 4, adding a new level of convenience to your charging routine. This feature allows for easy and secure wireless charging, so you can simply snap the case onto a MagSafe charger and forget about it. Simply snap the case onto a MagSafe charger, and it will align perfectly every time, ensuring a reliable charge. The improved battery life ensures you can power through your day without worrying about running out of juice, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. MagSafe compatibility adds convenience to the charging experience, making it easier than ever to keep your AirPods ready for use. Section 5. Features and connectivity. Seamless integration. The AirPods 4 are packed with features. Active noise cancellation effectively blocks out ambient noise. Transparency mode allows you to stay aware of your surroundings. The H2 chip ensures a stable and energy-efficient connection. Seamlessly switch between your Apple devices. The AirPods 4 integrates seamlessly into the Apple ecosystem. From noise cancellation to effortless connectivity, the AirPods 4 elevate the listening experience. These features enhance convenience and functionality. Section 6. The verdict: are they worth it? The Apple AirPods 4 are a significant upgrade over their predecessors. The improved design, enhanced sound quality, and impressive battery life make them a compelling choice. The new design is not only sleek, but also more comfortable for extended use. If you're deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem, the seamless integration with Apple devices enhances the user experience. The AirPods 4 are an excellent investment. They connect effortlessly to your iPhone, iPad, and MacBook, making switching between devices a breeze. The seamless integration with Apple devices enhances the user experience. You can easily access Siri, control your music, and even take calls without touching your phone. The AirPods 4 deliver on both form and function. They are designed to fit comfortably in your ears, and the sound quality is exceptional, providing a rich and immersive audio experience. Whether you're a music lover, podcast enthusiast, or frequent caller, the AirPods 4 cater to all your audio needs. The noise cancellation feature ensures that you can enjoy your content without any distractions. The AirPods 4 are a worthy upgrade. With their advanced features and seamless integration, they offer a premium experience that is hard to beat.